Hi guys. How are you all? Today we will be discussing about what is meant by JavaScript. This is the very first video in our Brainy Voyage YouTube channel, so make sure you follow us on Instagram and subscribe me on YouTube for more interesting videos. Let's begin with the definition of JavaScript, and we will be moving on to the history of JavaScript. Coming to the definition from my point of view, JavaScript is a high-level, multi-paradigm, object-oriented programming language used in web development to build websites and web applications. To know more about the definition, here is the breakdown of it. So, what is meant by high-level in programming? High-level in simple words mean that we don't have to do manual memory allocation or any other complex operations, where JavaScript will do it for us automatically. Similarly, object-oriented programming can be said as programming pattern that is built around objects or entities, so it's called object-oriented programming. What does this strange word multi-paradigm mean? Multi-paradigm refers to a programming language that supports more than one programming paradigm, such as object-oriented, functional, imperative, or declarative. And finally, you know what is meant by programming language. Anyway, I would like to tell you about what is meant by programming language. Programming language is used to convert the human language into the machine language by using the set of instructions. Here comes the history of JavaScript. The father of JavaScript is known as Brendan Eich. Do you know? Brendan Eich developed JavaScript, a computer language, in about 10 days in May 1995. The language, formerly known as Mocha, later modified to LiveScript, and is now known simply as JavaScript, was created to be used on the client side of websites, enabling the addition of dynamic and interactive components to static HTML texts. In 1996, Netscape and Brendan Eich took JavaScript to the ECMA International Standards Organization, and a technical committee, TC39, was created to develop the language. ECMA 262 Edition 1 was released in June 1997. Okay, so here is a simple question for you. Is Java and JavaScript related to each other? Let me know in the comment. Okay? So, let us move into the next step of our 130 days challenge journey. Are you curious about writing your first own Hello World JavaScript program? We can write our first Hello World program in console or in IDE, but for now I will do it in the developer console of our browser. So, the first step you need to do is to open your browser. After opening the browser, Windows users can press Ctrl+Shift+I. This will help you to open the developer console. In other ways, right-click on the mouse and there will be our Inspect option. Once you press on it, the developer tools will pop up. From the developer's bar, choose Console. Here we end up. This is our developer console where we can write simple programs. Let's begin our first ever Hello World program. Every programming language has its own way of writing the Hello World program. In JavaScript, we use console to print into the console, and the message should be enclosed within the closed brackets and covered within the quotes. Here is how it looks like. So, when I press on Enter, the Hello World should be displayed. Congrats! We completed the Hello World program. I hope you liked my first video on YouTube. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe me for more interesting videos.